Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be painting up some HeroQuest miniatures. Obviously this is a game I play and I do have, well, quite a few of the boxes, in fact all of them. So yeah, I do have a lot of miniatures left. I painted a couple in this box, yeah, quite literally a couple. I painted the barbarian up there and I painted the monkey, so there's lots left in here to paint. So I'm going to go painting the little skeleton archer here, and as I always do with the HeroQuest stuff, yeah, I'm going to paint them to look like, well, they look like the card, although he doesn't look like the card. He's a little bit different. In one of them he's got a chain sort of headpiece, and the other one he's got the well, I don't know, the little hat. Anyway, gorgeous looking sculpt though, must admit, say, the HeroQuest miniatures for a sort of board game, they are pretty well detailed. So rather than just paint the one, I'm going to paint four. So two came in the box, and I found two in, well, a different box. So it kind of makes sense to batch paint these as well. That's going to make it so much quicker, especially when there's only a few colours as well. So there's four of these. I didn't look through all the other boxes. There may well have been some other archer skeletons, but I'll have a look later. So yeah, painting these, very simple. Say there's only a few colours to these. And batch painting, yeah, batch painting is definitely the way to go, because it does sort of, well, reduces the time taken for one, because obviously you've got the paints out and ready. So it's literally a case of, yeah, going through, painting all the colours on one of them, and then once that's complete, then yeah, put him down, grab another one, and do exactly the same. So definitely speeds up the process by, well, a shed load. Which is great, especially when you've got loads of, obviously, the similar miniatures to paint. So say I am trying to get through the HeroQuest ones, but yeah, I kind of went mad just buying all of them. The Jungles of Delphrak, I actually held off for a good couple of months before buying the box set, just because I knew I wouldn't paint them straight away. But yeah, I kind of gave in the end and thought, yeah, I'm just going to buy it, because then I've got it ready. Which is obviously a crazy thing to do, because the other problem I have is I get distracted easy. So yeah, buy the box, do one miniature, then get distracted by, well, a box of other miniatures, and so on and so forth. Yeah, you guys know. I'm sure you all do the same. So yeah, again, all painted in the one colour, and then it's just a case of going around and doing a different colour. Apologies, I keep obviously getting my hand in the way, and then the camera focuses on my hand and not the miniature. You'd think after 4 years I'd be better at this filming malarkey, but to be honest, no. I'm kind of doing the same things I've been doing for the last 4 years. I'm still using a camera to a phone to use the camera on there to obviously record everything. I still don't script any of my videos. Yeah, I just sort of wing it. I mean, that's because I want to keep this channel fun for me, and fun for you guys. So yeah, if I was to script stuff, I think, well, it would sound staged, and yeah, it wouldn't be fun at all. It'd be like a real job, and who needs one of them? I'm just a guy sitting at a desk having fun, painting stuff. Love it. So yeah, it's very simple in the colours. Yeah, it's a case of now going over the metallic areas and the skeleton's face with a wash. As you can see, I pretty much go over almost everything with a wash. Ignore the fact I've got a black thumb there. I just primed another miniature to paint. I forgot to put gloves on. So yeah, I kind of got a bit of a black thumb. But hey ho, never mind. So yeah, these dudes, the four of them, it could have only have been 15 minutes, 20 minutes if that. So very quick, very easy. Obviously skeletons are pretty cool because there's not really normally a lot of colours going on, because yeah, there's quite a bit of bony areas to be seen, and their clothes, they don't generally seem to sort of have too much on, because everything's so sort of worn off and broke. But there we go, say 4 little skeletons, about 15 minutes ish, maybe 20 minutes tops. Yeah, ready for action, which is really cool. So maybe I need to paint more skeletons, because they do seem to be the quickest thing I can possibly paint. But guys, let me know if you want to see me paint anything next. I am kind of flicking between HeroQuest, Warhammer, might chuck in a bit of Zombicide, and obviously Lord of the Rings, as well as I've got a few 3D printed things. So yeah, the pile of shame, it's never ending, because obviously having a 3D printer means I can print, well, pretty much anything I want. Anyway, I'm waffling. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave comments, all that wonderful stuff. There's another video coming up on the screen. It'd be great if you could click on that, see more of what I do. And yeah, I'm loving this 30-day challenge of painting and videoing every day. Okay guys, you'll take care. See you in the next one. Bye for now.